databases. Right? Now these are databases available. One is called as school. Right? I may open the database. How do I open it? Can't see. Then how to show that? Use school. Array. Then why? SCH. Use has to be there. Now school has been opened. Then I want to see the available tables there. Show tables. It has only one table called as student. Then I don't know what are the columns there. I didn't open this recently. And I want to see the available columns. How do I describe student? Then it says that there's a column called as reg number, student name, address, telephone, marks, and things are there. Data types. Also, this is a primary key. Here, reg number has become the primary key. Then no issue in it. Things are going nice. Now I want to insert data, right? That's our DDL commands name. Then I'll describe the table. I can't remember the columns. Describe student. Something wrong. Describe student. Right. Then it has columns called as reg number, student name, address, and telephone. I want to insert data. How do I insert into table name is student? Then I don't want to list columns since I am going to insert data for all the columns. And I may have the keyword values. Then within brackets I may include the data. For reg number I may say that A is A001. Ilangata student name I'll put it as Nimal. Okay. After that address I'll put it as Candy. Okay. Candy should be within double quotes. Then since I don't have much more space, I'll go to the next line. Hit on the enter key, no issue. Then after that, telephone number within double quotes, note 77111. Okay. And then marks, I'll put the marks somewhere like 85. Then my work is over, right? Now semicolon and hit on the enter key. It says that query, okay, but I can't see the data there. That's why I said that when you type the commands, you don't see anything. You just get query, okay. Likewise, I want to insert one another data. How do I? I need to write the same command, but in the practical, you can use the up arrow key. Then it will give you the same commands you type. Again, press up arrow, the first command I entered. Likewise, it keeps going along with the history. Then I can change these values quickly. Right? And then I'll type again the rest. This one. Telephone number I'll put like note 7222. Marks I'll put it like 45. Then that's also inserted. Then I have inserted 2 records. Now if I want to insert data for selected columns, what should I do? I have typed the columns and type it. Now you can manage that. I just want to demonstrate only, right? Now say that the data are there. Then how do I see them? Select command. Select. Since I want to see everything, star from student. Right? That's enough. All the columns will be covered. Then the 2 records I have entered are visible. Right? So then A001, Nimal, whatever the data there. Then as I said earlier, how can I extract data with these conditions? Whether I want to get the data whose marks is more than 50. And what should I type? Select. I can write the columns. O star. I just put star. Then all the columns will be displayed from student. Then where, what is the condition? MK more than 50. Harani, hit on the enter key. Now it shows that only record. Earlier I had 45 as well. Now it's not. Harani. Then if I want to display some limited columns only, select say that rich number, comma MK only. Still possible, right? Then they are there.